Hello, little friends! Today we'll learn 12 colors with animals, birds, and objects. Ready? Let's go! Here are the 12 colors we will learn today. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, brown, black, white, gray, magenta. Now we go one by one for each color. Red is bright and happy. Here's the red ladybug. And a red apple. Crunch! Orange is warm and bold. The tiger stripes. And the big orange. Yellow shines like the sun. Here's a chick and the sunny sun. Green is fresh like leaves. Look, the frog jumps on a green leaf. Blue is cool and calm. A bluebird sings, and a blue ball bounces high. Purple is royal and fun. See the butterfly and juicy grapes. Pink is soft and sweet. The flamingo and shopping bag are so pretty. Brown is cozy like nature. A bear and yummy chocolate. Black is deep like night. Here's a crow in a black hat. White is bright and clean. A dove glides and yummy milk. Gray is calm and strong. The elephant and the rock are both gray. Magenta is bold and bright. A parrot with magenta wings. And a magenta pretty t-shirt. Great job, color champs! You learned 12 colors with animals, birds, and objects. See you next time! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SK Creative for more fun learning videos.